Hi, my name is Nick, and this tooltip is on creating 360 views. Being able to share your designs with your clients is an essential step in the design process. Envisioneer offers many options to achieve this. One of those options is the creation of 360-degree views. This will allow the client to see their space either on their phone or on your website. Let's take a look at how we can do this. I'm going to go up to View. I'm going to select the Render Panoramic View option. This will load up the Generate Panoramic View dialog box. And you're going to notice it looks very similar to the rendering dialog box that we have. You can control the camera that you're going to be viewing from. We also have an Options button. And the Options button will allow you to adjust how the quality is going to be set up for that particular rendering. So again, we can adjust our level just like we can in our renderings to be either a low level for a fast rendering or a high level for a more photorealistic rendering. I'm going to leave my setting at level 2 for right now, and we can also adjust the anti-aliasing. And again, the anti-aliasing will help smooth out any of the lines that are in your drawing and help create a clean, crisp line. Again, for the purposes of this, I'm just going to leave it at level 1. But if you're going to do a high quality rendering or panoramic view, you will want this set to 5. I'm going to say apply and then OK. And that will bring us back into our Generate Panoramic View dialog. And in here we can first click on the step 1 Generate GI. So this is going to go through and calculate the global illumination for that scene. And it will step through and calculate how the light is going to be applied in that scene, how it's going to bounce off of other objects. Anything that is shiny in the scene will help facilitate that light bouncing. So we'll let this go through and generate that first global illumination pass before we step through the process further. Once the global illumination process has completed, you'll be able to go through and adjust your image processing options as well. In here we have brightness, burn, and gamma. So if you want to adjust the overall brightness of your scene, you would need to do this now, and you can use that scroll bar to adjust the actual brightness of the scene itself. We can also adjust the burn. So if you are noticing that the intensity of the highlighted areas need to be adjusted, you can adjust this between 0 and 1. The lower burn values will decrease the intensity of the highlighted areas to avoid a burned out look. You can also adjust this value during or after that rendering process. We also have a gamma control. So gamma correction controls the overall brightness of an image. So the lower value will darken some of the image area's highlights, while higher values will make it brighter. You can adjust this value during or after the rendering process as well. Once you're happy with the overall look of your design, you can simply click on step 2, Generate Faces. And what this will do now is it's going to turn this into a cube map. So this area in here, it's going to go through, it's going to calculate each of the 6 faces that make up the cube map. So here you can see it's working on face 1. And if you move your mouse around in here, you can see that we're basically inside of a cube. So it's going to render each scene to create that full 360-degree view. Once the rendering has gone through and each face has been generated, you will see an Upload to Home View VR button. And this will allow you to upload the panoramic view to our free Home View VR app that is free for download off the Google Play Store. You can have your clients also download this app onto their phone, and then you'd be able to share a link with them so that they can see what you've created for them. Once you select that Upload to Home View VR button, a dialog box will pop up asking you to sign in. You can click on the Sign In button, enter in your information. Again, it is all free, and then you'll be able to upload that panoramic view. Once the view has been uploaded, you will get an Upload Succeeded message box, and this just lets you know that that view is now available to send to your clients. In our app, we also have a share option, which will allow you to create a snippet of code that you can put on your own website. So you can create a section on your website that will allow you to post this view in a 360-degree environment on your website and have your clients access it from there as well. We hope this tooltip helps you moving forward. If you like what we are creating, be sure to subscribe for future videos. If you have comments, please let us know below. Thank you.